A nonprofit ministry known for helping people get food and shelter.
Marie runs Valley of Love, a ministry for the homeless. She's used to feeding hundreds.
When I saw her, I couldn't stop crying, especially of the little 6-month-old baby.
Marie Jean-Pierre has been the family's only lifeline since they straggled into her agency 3 days ago.
Let me tell you, I call every agency in the book. I have a list of them. I call 211. I call the Lord's Place, Promise Hope. We call different churches. They don't have no money.
News Channel 5's Katie Johnson joins us now with the details.
Kelly, this is the Facebook page for Valley of Love Ministries. It highlights some of the efforts the Ministries does for the Riviera Beach community, providing a place to sleep, eat, and find jobs. She's hoping the community will step up and help out. Now, the founder tells me her shelter helps at least 1,200 to 1,500 people each month, and she said the need for that help is greater than ever since she opened Valley of Love. Katie Johnson, WPTV News Channel 5.